From the assignment which I gave, anyone having any questions?
Danish, I am asking one question regarding this, right? Where is that separator?
Yes, please, what is the question?
Yeah, my question here is, suppose I have a variable with a list, right?
Variable as a list, you are talking about list?
Yep.
Okay.
Suppose A equal to bracket A apple comma orange comma mango, right? Now I'm printing that, so it should become as a separate as a underscore, so it should come as a underscore, right?
I didn't get your question. Till list it is clear. After that, what is the question, sir?
List, suppose L equal to, or list one equal to, then bracket, square bracket, yeah, square bracket of the list. Then you put the A comma B comma C.
This one?
Yeah, single quotes, right?
Inside quotes, okay.
So, suppose I use the print, right? Print statement L1. So it will me print the whatever there in the list, right? Suppose I print, then separated as a underscore, right? So it should come single quotes, yeah, underscore, right? Or hyphen, anything, fine. So it should come.
So you are running this?
Yeah.
So, what output you are expecting here?
A underscore B underscore C.
Is it giving you that output?
No.
So we will discuss this once we are doing this.
Okay,
what do you
fine.
call list? Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, see, L1 is a single element. It is not two elements. Okay. It's a single element. It's not two elements. Single. So SEP will be doing the separation between two elements, not in a single element. Just on a high level, I'm telling you. We will cover this when we come to a list. Okay.
I got the point. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any question, guys? Anyone from previous days topics or topics we have covered so far? Okay. No question means then I can start today's topic. Just one thing. Last day we saw that in case of we saw the use of backslash, right?
The second question is there, right? Second question, you have written ABC and you have given the value 10, 12. C value is not that. So it is giving value error. That's correct, right?
Yeah, so that is why it will throw error here because the value of C we have not given.
Okay. And D also.
This. So like I want to have an output like this. My name is Sam inside double quotes. Okay, I want to have an output like this. So I am trying to do it. Will this work, guys?
No.
It won't work.
Won't work. Okay. This is Day3. So it won't work. So how can I achieve this output?
You need to use single quotes outside.
Okay, we can enclose this in single quotes, then it is going to work fine. What if I want to do it in double quotes only? I want the same output but in double quotes. So that day we saw that backslash uh, with some special characters like N and T. Okay. So we have another use of backslash. It is used to escape the characters. Okay. So escaping means like it will, for example, if you give a backslash here and you give a backslash here, it will hide it or it will hide its original this hide. You can say the like it will not hiding will not be the proper word. You can say it will escape, it will just print it as it is. Okay, it will escape it, print it as it is without going seeing the meaning of it. Okay, for example, if you give a double quote here, it will just like if we don't give this, then this thing will be considered as one complete string. Okay, it won't be able to do it. Just to escape this meaning, we have to give this backslash. Okay, if we run this, so now we are getting this output. Suppose in our okay, this is used to escape, and we have another sentence where we have to see the. I'm just putting this use of backslash and string. And inside this, I'm giving use of backslash in string. Okay, and I want to print this as well. If I want to print like this,
No, you put and you put backslash and there.
sorry, what is it?
Backslash and you put use backslash and yeah.
Hmm.
Can you try now? It will split the string, right?
No, I was not trying to show you that. Trying to show you something else. Anyways, yeah, this is fine. But do you understood this? If you inside double quote, if you want to print a word with double quote, how do we do it with the help of backslash?
Yes.
There is no one to put backslash itself in the string, right?
Today my connection is a little bit weak, so I'm not able to hear properly. Yes. What is the question?
Hello, am I audible?
Your voice is a little bit on the lower side. You can type on the chat also.
Can you put can you put one slash before slash n, then it will be print as a slash n. That value of slash n will not be executed. It will not split the string.
So you are telling this one?
Yeah.
Correct. So yeah, so if we run this, it will take a slash and yes. So it will hide the meaning of this. They want to print backslash itself in the string. Yes. Correct. We were trying to do that. Yes.
Then we can do directly only, right?
Yes. Okay. So moving to the next topic. So we have one expression. Well, plus 10 into 4 minus 7. Modulus 8. Okay. So when you have, so these are arithmetic operators that we saw, multiplication, addition, subtraction, modulus, uh, division. Okay. So what will be the output for this? How we can determine which one will be executed first, whether it will be multiplication, whether it will be a division or modulus plus.
On
I
the
think
Okay, so
dot must will be, we will be able to
okay, you are
execute the
saying
result
bod
by
mass.
bottom. Yes.
Okay. So we have two things here. One is called precedence. That means which one is having higher priority, that will be executed first. And second thing that we have to understand is so creativity. Like if the two operators are having same priority, which one will be executed first? Okay. So so if you see this, these are some of the commonly raised used Python arithmetic operators. Okay. So see multiplication, division, modulus, and your this quotient, what we get. Okay. So these are having the same precedence, same priority. So associativity is left to right. Okay, whatever is in the left, that will be executed first. Okay, after that we have plus and minus, and then in the end we have equal to. Okay, so if we come to this, so plus is having a lower priority than multiplication. Okay, so initially we will get 10 into 4, that is 40. Okay, then what will be the expression after that? 12 plus 40. Okay, minus, now is this one 7 mod 8 by 2. Okay, so next step, which one will be executed, guys, first? So this mod, so plus minus is having a lower precedence, but this modulus operator and this division operator are having the same precedence. Okay, but left to right, whichever is coming first, that will be executed first. So 7 modulus 8, what will be the value here for this?
On what basis you have get the 40 actually?
10 into 4.
Sorry?
10 multiplied by 4.
No. Why 10 multiplied by 4? The first question is that. I need to understand the precedence. How you, which one come plus
Yes.
minus?
So yes, no problem. Just try to understand this. So first we have 12 plus 10, right? First it will see what are the operators present. So we have plus, we have multiplication, we have subtraction, we have modulus, we have division. Okay.
Correct.
Now, which is having a higher priority? That it will check. Okay. So this, if you see this, these are all of the same priority. This is the highest priority. See, and then we have plus minus.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So 7 modulus 8, then this will be executed. So what will be the value for this? 7 only, right? We'll have a by 2.
That is, what is
Yes.
the, what is the, what modulus operator does basically? What is modulus operator?
This is modulus operator. Yes, this is modulus operator. If you want to see how this works, you can just come here and type this 7 modulus 8. So giving you 7 only. Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, so we are getting 7 here, 7 by 2. Okay. Next, what will be the output? 12 plus 40 minus what will be the value here?
3.5.
3.5.
3.5. Then 12 plus 42. Then left to right, it will first add them. It will be 52 minus 3.5. So the answer should be 48.5.
48.
Okay. Let's print this.
How that, can you explain the line number 3? It's like 3, right? 7 by 2, how the 7 by 2 came?
This one
Yeah.
3.5.
No. 7 by 2. This how it came? 7 more 8, right?
7 mod 8, right? So mod means the remainder. Okay. 8 zeros are 0, then 7 will be remaining there, right?
No, reminder will be what? 7 by 8, right? More reminder will be 1, right?
Why remainder will, if it will be 9, then the remainder will be 1, right? 8 ones are 8 and remaining 1.
Okay. Okay.
So if we run this, then we're getting the output what we calculated, right? 48.5. So is this clear to everyone? Any doubt, guys? Are we good?
Yes.
Okay. And so this C, so equal to is also an operator. Okay, as we saw in this thing, equal to is also an operator, and the associativity here is right. Okay, so what was happening here? We were going left to right, right? 12 plus 10 plus this. Once we get the final value, then it will execute from right to left, not from left to right. For example, we cannot do like this 12 equals to result, because this works right to left. So it will see this anyway, this is an invalid variable name. Okay. We cannot have this assignment, but just for your understanding that whenever we have equal to sign, you will do from right to left.
What you're trying to explain, I didn't get that. Hello?
Sorry, what's the question?
I didn't get that right to left. We are always doing left to right, right?
So we have, if for other operators, we move from left to right, but when we have an assignment like a equals to 12,
Okay, okay.
how does that work?
Assignment.
12 is
Okay. Got it.
assigned to a in this way, right?
Okay, got it. Yeah, got it.
Okay. And there's one exception, any expression in parentheses will be executed first. For example, same thing, if we just give 12 plus 10 in brackets, okay, this will be having the highest priority more than multiplication or division. You will see there is a change in the result if you run this. Okay. Is this clear, guys? Any doubt? Anyone?
Yes, then it's clear.
So it is not following BODMAS rule here, okay, for information.
Okay.
So this is one. Let me see. Okay. So we have seen this arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is for computing the power, okay, a to the power b to the power, okay, modulus, division. Okay, now this equal to is an assignment operator, okay, equals to is an assignment operator.
Danish, your voice is lagging actually.
Yes, Danish.
Today my internet connection is not stable. Let me again try to connect with some other network.
Yeah, please.
Yes, so I've connected to a different network, guys. Let me
No,
know
it's
if there's
fine.
lagging here.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So we saw the assignment operator. We have we saw this arithmetic operators. We also saw this assignment operator. Equals to is an assignment operator. We have something called augmented assignment operator. Okay. For example, suppose I am trying to find the sum of, or there is a variable called a. Okay. I want to increase the value of this variable 12 plus 13. Okay. And then I am trying to print this number. Okay. Let's try to run this 25. So we can do the same thing like this. A plus equals to 13. So this equals to and plus we are clubbing it together This should not be 12. This should be a equals to a plus 13. Yes. So in the place of this, we can do a plus equals to. Okay. So if we try to comment out this and we try to run this, okay. So instead of equals to and this, we are using a short form. So what is happening? It is adding a to 13 and assigning it back to a. Okay. So plus equals to, we are using uh, plus equals to in the place of like equals to and a plus sign like this. So we can do it for other operators also. We can have you can use a multiplication operator, a equals to a into 13. This will do. Okay. You can do it for all the arithmetic operators that we saw, like division also we can do. A equals to 12 by 13. And it will assign the value back to a. Okay. So this is basically combining two operators, arithmetic operator plus assignment operator. Okay. That's why it is called augmented assignment operator. Okay. Is this clear, guys? Any doubt here?
Yes, yes, Danish. So, Danish, basically, you are saying A is equal to 12 in the first section, and then in the second section, A is equal to 13. So now you are combining is equal to with plus, and it is giving you the combined result of 25. That's what you
Correct.
are saying?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So rather than writing it like this, so this is a shortcut. You will find it in if you read other people's code, you will find it. Instead of writing a equals to a plus 13, they are just doing a plus equals to 13 like this. Okay, guys. Any doubt in this? Are we good? Any questions? Are we clear with this short form?
So Danish,
Can't
13,
write a plus
13
plus.
is, yeah, please go.
We can't write a plus plus, right?
Sorry, what we cannot write?
A plus plus.
Yes. Okay, that's a very good topic. Yes. So in other programming languages, suppose I want to increase the value of a by 1. Okay. So what they will do this a plus plus. Okay. This will increase the count of a and assign it back to a. Okay. But this is not allowed in Python. If you do this, we are getting an invalid syntax. Okay. So we have to do like this, a plus equals to 1 if you want to increase the value by 1 and assign it back to a. Okay. This plus plus or anything or minus minus, these are it's not allowed in Python. Yes, there was one more question. What is it?
So Danish, A is equal to 12 here, and
Yeah.
the other variable is 1, and the other variable is 1. Means that's what I'm
Other
getting from.
variable you are saying like this, I can make it as 1.
Correct. So if we have to add this, we can simply do A plus B.
Yes.
Correct. And with your logic, if we want to add it, then we have to do A plus is equal to B.
If you
That's
want to add the sum and assign it back to a, you have to do a equals to a plus b. Yes.
okay. And then we can and then we can do print A. If we will do print A, it will show us the result of 13. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Danis Rahman here. Actually, I have one question.
Yes.
If we traverse a loop and at that time, if we increase the A's value, so at that time, what will be the procedure?
Yeah, you can use this a plus equals to 1.
No, actually, I'm asking if I traverse a loop and continuously I'm going to assign the age value, means it will increase up. So at that time, the concept will be the similar.
Yeah, similar concept you have to use to increase the value. Yes. Or decrease the value. Yes.
Okay, understood. Thanks.
Okay, we will cover loops. Then we will see how we are doing it. Okay.
Sure.
Any other question, guys? Okay, so okay, so we have covered arithmetic operators, assignment operators. Now we'll see this relational operators. Okay, it's called relational or comparison operators. For example, A and B, I want to check which one is greater, A greater than B. So this is one symbol greater than is A. So we have some relational operators greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, equals to, not equals to. Okay, we'll see the use of each one of them. So first is A greater than B. Then we will just print the output for each. Okay, A less than B, A equals to B, A not equals to B. What else we have? Greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Okay, print A greater than, equal to B, A
So
less
it will
than.
show us the result in Boolean, true or false.
Yes, so that is what I'm going to introduce now. We have another data type also called Boolean. Okay, Boolean, and can have only two values, true or false. Okay, so let's try to run this. So A is 12, B is 1. 12 is greater than 1, true. Okay, 12 is less than 1, false. 12 equals to 1, false. 12 not equals to B. This is not equals to, right? They are not equal, right? So it should return a true. A greater than, equal to. So this is basically is combining greater than or equal to. I will tell you what is the meaning of these two. Less than, equal to, greater than, equal to later. But are we clear till this point? Greater than, less than, equals to, not equals to. And if you see the data type of each output, I'm just showing the data type, the first one. You will understand from there. So if you see, this belongs to class bool. Okay, bool is nothing, stands for Boolean. So basically, this relational operators, the output for relational operators, output, or you can say output of this relational of not operators. Like if we do a what do we call it? The data type, the result of the data type will be a Boolean value. Okay, the data type after using relational operators will be of Boolean type. Is this clear, guys? Any doubt here? And Boolean can only have a value as true and false. Okay. Suppose I assign here another, let's take it a value and assign it true. Okay. And I see the type of this value. The Boolean. What if I make it to small t? Will this work, guys? No. Okay. true means the T should be capital, then only it will consider this as a Boolean value. If it is small letter, it will not take. Is this clear, guys? Any doubts so far in this for greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, or not equal to?
No. If dot equals
Mhm.
method is available in Python.
Dot. What is dot equals? You're telling?
Using keyword equal.
Equals.
Which we basically use
See
to
that
compare
basically
between two
that is.
strings.
That is basically, I think, used in strings in other programming languages. But we'll see
Yes,
here
yes.
when we come to when we cover strings in more depth, then we will see. Okay.
Hi, Dennis.
Yes.
Rakesh here. Yeah, so if you type true capital T, so if all the letter will be capital, will it take?
I didn't. Sorry, I didn't get your question. Will I?
If I type all the letter in capital letter, caps, all
Oh,
caps.
all the okay. All the letters in capital. You're saying?
Yes.
No, this will not take. Only the first letter should be capital and rest should be small. Okay.
So in our last class, you taught us that this is a sensitive language. Print cannot be write capital P, right?
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. My voice is not audible.
Did anyone else got his question? Can anyone please tell? Because I'm finding his voice a little bit on the lower side.
No, its voice is not clear. That's why.
Yes, his voice is breaking up.
Hello, Danish.
Yeah, please.
Yes. 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 It's
Like,
better than
in
before.
last-
Yes, Rakesh, you can say.
In last class, you taught us that Python is a case-sensitive language. So in print, we cannot write P as a capital.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah. But here in true, it first start with capital P.
Yes. So basically, see, this is not any inbuilt function or things like that. Okay, this is just a value, a Boolean value.
These are the reserved word.
And yeah, these are also reserved words. We have to use it as it is. Correct.
As it is means, as it is could be a small TRUV also.
So that is why it is,
No, Rakesh, actually, the true
No.
in the Python will understand true when we write T as a capital. If you write T as a small, right, it will not. Can you write the, yeah. So it becomes like, it's not a keyword, right? So that's why it's required T should be capital.
Also, Danish, I have one more question. Here the not equals to symbol is exclamation mark and equals to this one. So this is the not equals to symbol. Because
this is not equals to symbol. Yes.
Okay, so generally, I have pinged you in the chat. So generally, we follow this symbol for not equals to. This is
that also. I think that also can be worked.
That also works in some environment in SQL.
No, in Python we can write Danish that A greater than and less than B. So it become a not equal to, right?
Yeah, this is the not equals to symbol. I don't
Is
know.
this,
why
okay, let's try to run this and see. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
We'll run this.
Syntax error.
Okay, not equals to means you have to give a not sign and an equal to sign. This is not equals to.
Okay, got it. In other language, we use this operator for not equals to symbol. So that's why I was asking.
Are you using this less than this one?
Yes, yes. In VBA
I
or
think
like
this is used in some other like scripting languages. I think
yes.
in not, I don't remember, but I have also seen it in some programming languages. Okay, but in Python we have simple this not equals to. Okay, is this clear, guys? Any doubt here in this? So far we are good.
Yeah, we are good.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So basically this relational operators is used in combination with your if else condition. Okay, condition checking. Okay, in condition checking this is used. Okay, now move them. Yeah, so let's capture this result. So what will be the value of result here, guys? Can anyone guess?
True, true.
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 No. True. Okay. Okay, so now we have, so these are relational operators. We have something called logical operators also. Okay, logical operators. These are nothing but and, or, not. Okay, so let's have another variable called c. C equals to 23. I'm giving it as a greater than b and a greater than c. Okay. Now tell me, a greater than b. This is a true statement, right?
Yes.
A greater than c. Is this a true or false?
False, false.
Okay, false. So one is
False.
true and one is false. So what will be the value of the result?
The result is false.
False.
Will be a false.
False.
And what if I give here or?
True. It will be true.
What will be the value?
True.
True. Okay. So guys, whenever we have a combination like one is true, second is false, and if we do true false, if we do an and here, so it will be false. Okay, and if we have a true and false, if we have a or here, it will be a true. Okay, we have to remember this. And all right, yeah. So in and condition all should be true. Okay, in and condition all the values should be true to get a true. Okay, but in or condition, if one value is true, then we will get a true. Okay, so suppose in the place of a greater than b, I'm just doing true or false or false, false. Okay, so we have one condition, two condition, three condition, four condition. Okay, but we are using an or here. Okay, so our output will be true. Okay, and if we have combination, right, true and false, If we have and, so this will be returning false. Okay, is this clear, guys? And then we have a not. Okay, what not is going to do, it will just reverse the value. For example, here the value is false. If we do a not of result, it will make it to true. That's the inverse. It will inverse the value. So it was true, it made it to false. Sorry, not result, right? Yeah, result was what, false, and then we printed not result first. Okay, so this is true. So and this is just the opposite of it. Okay, so any question here, guys, so far? We saw this greater than less than this value, and also this. And one more thing here, there were two more symbols, right? Greater than equal to and less than equal to. For example, a greater than equal to b, right? Uh, see this as result. So basically here what they are doing, result a greater than equals to b. So here it is basically nothing greater than equal to, they will change it like this, a greater than b or a equals to b. So it will check this. So greater than equal to is nothing but a combination of greater than and equal to sign. So that is greater than equal to, with the help of this or keyword. Okay, so any question, guys, so far?
So Danish, not result will always show the opposite.
Yeah, not will always be opposite. Not of true will be false. Not of true will be not of false will be true. Not of true will be false.
Okay.
Any question, guys, here? Are we good so far? Okay, so let's see these examples in some sort of programs. Okay. Now suppose you have bank balance of 70,000 in your account you have. Okay. You are trying to withdraw. Let's ask the user. Okay. Withdraw amount. Okay. So we can ask the user to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay. So enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then we will use an if condition here to check if this withdraw amount, okay, if the withdraw amount is greater than the bank balance, okay, we will give the user one message that don't have sufficient balance in your account. You don't have sufficient balance in your account. Okay. Else what will happen if the if this is true, okay, if the withdraw amount is greater, then we will give this message. Else, so it can either have a true or false value. Withdraw amount can either be greater than or it can be less than. There can be another scenario. Okay, so let's see. We give another condition like this. Else, if withdraw amount is less than your bank balance, Okay, then we can print just one statement. You are good to withdraw. Okay. So there can be one more scenario, guys, right? It can either be greater than, it can be less than, it can also be equal to, right? Three scenarios it can be, right? Either is greater than or less than or equals to. And there are only three conditions, three scenarios. So first two scenarios we have covered. So third scenario, we don't need to give the condition, because if it is failing both of them, then automatically it will come to this last scenario. Okay. So here we are just going to do a print. You are going to withdraw, but your balance will be zero, account balance. But your account balance, just to close this, but your account balance will be zero. Okay, so let me save this. So let me introduce you to this ifelse block. Okay, so we have this keyword called if. If we need to give any condition, we'll use this keyword if. There should be one space. There should not be any bracket. Okay, and we have to give the condition here what we are trying to check, and then it will be a colon will be present at the end. Okay, if keyword a space, then our condition, and then our this colon work. Okay, if we have more than one condition, we can use multiple elif. If we have 10 conditions, then we will use 10 elifs. Okay, last condition, uh, if you exhausted all your choices, now it is not fitting in any of the bucket, then it will automatically come to the last bucket. So we no need to give a condition in the last else block. Any doubt here, guys, so far in the program what I have written here?
So here in the syntax of if, we don't need to use then, we don't need to use and, it will be simple syntax for if. Like uh, if we have to work in some other languages, then we write the syntax like if this is greater than equals to, then the true value will be this, or else the false value is this, and it ends on if, and it ends on the end syntax. Are you getting my point? Means here we don't need to write then and it will be a simple syntax of if we're working in the Python.
Correct. Correct. Yes, this is very simple syntax. Yes. Okay, guys. So let me run this. There's one error in this program. Can anyone point it out? Where is it? Okay, let me run this. You see the error, then tell me where is the problem. Okay. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw 5,000 rupees. What is the error we are getting, guys?
Supported between instances of string and integer.
Else,
Where is the problem in the program?
the greater first if condition.
No. In a withdrawal, we need to change that to.
This one, right? Where they are comparing, right? If you see this statement, if withdraw amount greater than bank balance, right?
Yeah. We need to
So the
change
first
that
statement. So why are we getting this error, guys? How can we fix it?
Even we can put it even
While we will take the input, at that time we need to give eval.
Eval, right? You can give eval. Everyone understood? Okay, then let's try to run this. And we are good to withdraw, right, guys? So it is entering which condition? Withdraw amount is less than bank balance. It is entering this condition.
Dennis, could you please run the program once again and put the withdraw amount 70K?
Yes. So what should I give as input? Tell me.
70,000.
70,000. So which
Okay.
condition it is going to? Last condition.
Yes.
So okay. So instead of if we make it greater than equal to here only, okay, and if I give 70,000, then will it enter this block? Because we
No.
have changed it. It will enter the first block only. Okay. So let's try to run this. Oh, you don't have sufficient balance in your account.
Move it in
Okay,
second.
yeah. It entered the first one, right? Though we have given an incorrect statement, it should not be here. We should give it here, right? Less than equal to.
Yeah, second one.
Yeah. So, so we have understood this, guys. Any doubt anyone having so far in the if else syntax or the condition what we are checking?
Then in the second line, we are using eval, right? Instead of eval, we can put int also, right? Int.
Yes, this is also perfectly fine. This will work.
Okay, could you please tell me the difference one more time? Eval, what is the difference between eval and int?
Sure. So see, eval is so here we are doing it int, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So we can use int also, but eval how to tell you? Yes, sure. So suppose I am running this, enter the amount you withdraw 1234.56 I have given. Okay.
Okay.
And to show this, we are getting this error, right?
Right.
Invalid retrieval for int. Okay. But if we use here eval, and if we give the same input there, to the one we want to withdraw 1234.56, but we are not getting this error because it, depending on the data what we are giving, it is changing itself, modifying accordingly. If you see the data type for this, it becomes a float here because we have given some value in decimal. Okay.
Okay, so internally it automatically converts the data type.
Yes, to its appropriate data type. Correct. Yes.
Except on strings.
It should not be used on string because
okay.
by default it is string, the input string.
Got it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so let's try to add some more condition to this statement. You don't have sufficient balance, and then we want to print, okay, your balance is this. Your balance is this. Your balance is so yeah, so we can mention your balance is this bank balance, and you are trying to withdraw this withdrawal. So this will be this way user can understand, right? How much balance is he is having and how much he wants to withdraw. And press here good to withdraw. And we can here what we can do now, we can print here that after withdrawing your balance would be, we can give bank balance and minus this withdraw amount. Okay. I made one mistake here. You can tell me what is the mistake if you can find it out. Then you are good to withdraw, but your amount we are already giving an appropriate message here. Your account balance will be 0 after withdrawing. I made one mistake in that elif block, guys. Can you tell me what is the mistake there?
Actually,
You should start with the F factor.
Correct. We should start with F here. Yes. Okay, so if we run this, enter the amount you want to withdraw, it's 1000. Okay, you're good to withdraw. After withdrawing, your balance would be 69,000. Okay, so we can have multiple statements. And one more thing, if you have noticed, see, we are having some gap right here. This statement is starting after leaving some gap here, each one. Okay, so this is called indentation. Okay, like this is called indentation. If you see Java programming language, what they will do, they will enclose whatever belongs to if, they will give it in this kind of bracket, one bracket and second bracket, to show that this particular all this statement belongs to this if condition. Okay, but in Python we don't have this concept of giving this bracket. We have this called indentation. Okay, so whatever is in this inside is following this much space indentation, this belongs to if block. So if we suppose if we don't give this mandatory space here, okay, but I am just using a tab here. Okay, so if I just save and run this, so you see the error, what error we are getting?
On line 7.
Yes, expected and indented block. Is it visible to you guys? Is it too small? How is it?
Yes.
So we have to give a fix. We can use a tab just to maintain a uniformity. What I do, so once I give my if condition, and after clone I will hit enter. So it will automatically take me to the position where I should start writing my code. So I will use that only. Okay. Any question, guys, so far?
no.
Okay, fine. So, so is it mandatory to have if, elif, else all together, or you can have only if, or we can have only elif or only else?
We can have if and in combination of we can have elif and else.
Yes. So guys, see, elif and else, they cannot, elif and else, they cannot exist without if. Okay, if is mandatory. Okay. We can have if, no, if true. Okay. If true, print always true. Okay, this is having without any what do you call, without any else block. Okay, so instead of this condition withdraw amount greater than bank balance. So this will automatically return a true or false, right? Based on that, our code will be executed. So instead of giving this condition, I'm just writing true here. Okay. And I'm just printing this. Just comment on this. I don't want to take the withdraw amount as input right now. So always true. Okay. If I use a false, we can use a false also here. Okay, so if false, it did not enter this loop. Okay, so let's make another condition here given else. So if it is not false, it will be true, right? So if false, it is false, it is not entering this. Okay, because this is false. It will only enter the block when it gets a true value. Okay, when it gets a false value, it will not enter the block. Is it clear, guys? Any doubts so far? So in conditional expression, so a greater than b, we can say call it. We saw arithmetic operation expressions like a plus b. Those are arithmetic expression. So this can be called a conditional expression. Okay, we are using a checking with the help of conditional operator. So we can mention like this: if in conditional expression 0 will be considered equivalent to false. Okay, and all non-zero values will be considered as true. So if we give a if we give 12 here, okay, if 12, this is a non-zero value. So what we are going to get, which block it will enter, guys? It will enter this block or this block?
First block always true.
Okay, because all non-zero values will be considered true. Okay. If we give a 0 value here, then what will be the output, guys?
Else.
Opposite.
Go to else block.
Opposite. Yeah.
Okay. What if we give 0 not 0? Is a float value.
False.
Was it? Okay. What else can we have here? Let's take a string. Okay. Let's take one empty string. Okay, I'm not giving any value inside. Okay. So if we give here name, an empty string, let's see whether it is going to. Okay, so 0 will be considered equivalent to false. Empty string also will be considered as false. Okay, let's give some value to this string. Let's not make it an empty string. Sam. Okay, now try to run this. Always true. Okay, so you might get some kind of tricky questions in the
What is the
interview. They might
negative
tell
value?
you
Like negative value.
negative value. Okay, let's have a negative value. See, so bank balance is 70. I'm making it minus 70,000. Okay, let's give a negative value. Okay, any non-zero value, guys, will be taken as true. Any non-zero value or it's empty string like 0, 0. This will be taken as true. So is this clear, guys? Any doubts so far? Are we good? Any questions?
So then float value will also be true, like if I write 50 point something, then that also will be true.
You are not audible. Is that Rakesh?
Yeah. But I'm telling, if I will put float value, that will also be true.
If I will put what value?
And if float value, decimal value.
Decimal value you're saying?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So if you can give 123.56, right? So this is a non-zero value, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this will also be taken as true only.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Any doubts so far?
No.
Okay, so if we have only, this condition, if and else, okay, and there is only a single line like this, okay, we can do it in this way also. You can say it as inline if, okay. What we can do, uh, for example, let's do this. Print always true. This we are going to print here. Okay. If then there should be some condition. Let's take this condition as if name equals to Sam. I'm just giving for example. Okay, if name equals to Sam, then print always true. Okay. Else print opposite. Okay, let's comment out this. Try to run this. This is true, right? Name equals to Sam. Okay, so let's not give any condition. Let's just make it 0. Okay, if 0, let's see it's working like that or not. So this is called, guys, inline if. When we have a single condition, we want to do something only in a single, they don't. So here we were having multiple blocks, right? 1, 2, 3. This we cannot do, but we have only one condition. We can use a single in a single line also. We can do it like this. So any doubt? This is called inline if. In the same line we are doing it. So any doubt here, guys? So far, are we good? Okay. So no doubt, guys, then I will stop the session here. So if you guys have any questions so far, you are free to ask.
Dinesh, can you please place all the documents in one share folder in the Google Drive?
All documents in one shared folder.
Daily wise. So that it will be easy for us to access those documents whenever we required.
Correct. But then I have to give.
In WhatsApp
I
daily.
have to give that access to only the participants.
Yeah, you can give those access to only participants. That is fine. But in one folder, all the documents, that will be good, right?
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, that's a good suggestion. We can do that. So I would request everyone, those I already saw many email IDs for that recordings. So those who have not sent their email IDs, they can please send it again. Okay, we will collate all the email IDs and then we will give access. We will do what we are doing right now. We'll place in WhatsApp also, and we will place in that folder also. Okay.
Yeah, Google Drive is always best option, right?
Yes, correct. I agree. Yes.
Sorry, I didn't get Danish.
What you didn't get?
That WhatsApp and something you're saying that in between and lost.
So right now assignments and notes I'm sending in WhatsApp group, right?
It's very difficult. Can you share in the some Google Drive or something?
Yeah, that's what I asked. I asked the same.
Yeah, that's what was the suggestion. Yeah, I agree. That's a good option. So we'll be doing that. We'll be doing both. We will be sending in WhatsApp also, and we'll be placing the files in that Google Drive as well.
Better you whatever the folder you are creating in your local, right? The same folder you can share that, so we can day 1, day 2, whatever the person want, we can check it from
Yeah,
there.
we can check. We can check. That is best option.
Yeah.
To share
Right,
some
right, yes.
folder path only.
Yeah.
That's
Day 1, day 2, day 3. So it's easy for to maintain for us also.
Correct. Yes.
So we are done, right, Danish?
Yes, we are done, guys. Those who want to drop, they can drop. Those who have any questions, they can ask. I'm just summarizing what we have completed today. Okay. So we have covered relational operators. We have covered arithmetic operators, precedence, and all those things. Any other question, guys? Arithmetic operators. Are we good till this point? Have we understood all the topics? These are very these are just the simple topics. So once we understand that, it will be easy for us to do the next topic.
Danish, I have need one clarification. Yesterday's topic. I will ping you just you see the code and I want to.
Yeah, sure. Please ping me that.
In the chat, right?
Just a moment. I will just complete this.
Yeah,
Look into that. We have covered logical, arithmetical, relational, Boolean iterative, ifelse solution, inline F. Anything else, guys, I missed? I have mentioned everything. Yep, I think this we are good with. Yeah. Yes. So, what is the question? You have written some code like this. Name, age, this one.
Yeah. Can you paste in the notepad? I will tell you what exactly.
Sure. Yeah. Let me copy this and create a new file here.
Enter. My question here is this statement we have written, right? My name is 0, 1 and all that. I make one string there. Okay. And in the print, I will call instead of this string, I will call that variable. Say sentence equal to that whatever in the quotation. Then I am writing format whatever the value, right? Name, age, and the. It is not working actually.
So you are saying this is working fine. What you have written,
Yeah,
what
this
you
is
have
working
typed over
fine.
here.
So whatever we return in the single quotes, right? I will assign to one variable, and that variable I am calling here.
So you are saying you are writing this.
Yes. Control X equal to.
Let's take this as sentence. Those who who want, they can drop, guys. We are done with the class. Just having some doubt, we are clearing that. Okay, because we are already around time. Okay, those who want to stay, they are feel free to stay. No problem. Okay, so you are doing this. You are giving sentence here, and then you are saying this is not working, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to run this and check what is the problem here. Just
Oh, it's working.
it's working.
Oh.
This is working, right?
Okay. I don't know what I have did.
They might have missed some brackets here and there, I think.
Okay, I'll take that.
Okay, guys. So any other doubt, guys? Okay. Then that's all from the class. So thank you guys for your time. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.